Hi everyone! We're going to learn all about finding the area of triangles. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil if you'd like to join in. What is the area? The area is the space measured inside of a shape. Area is measured in square units. For example, millimeters squared, centimeters squared, or meters squared. How do we find the area of a triangle? There is a simple formula that we can use to find the area of all triangles. The area equals half the base times the height. We can see from the diagram which parts of the triangle are labelled height and base. Here are some examples. We're going to find the area of these triangles using our formula, half the base times the height. So let's have a go at triangle A. First of all, let's label the parts of our triangle. This is the base and this is the height. The base is 8 centimetres and the height is 6 centimetres. So using our formula, we're going to do half times 8 times 6. So let's half the base, which equals 4, and times that by 6. 4 times 6 equals 24. So the area of this triangle is 24 centimetres squared. It's really important that we use the correct units of measurement. Now let's try triangle B. Let's label our parts to help us. So this is the base, and this is the height. The base is 10 centimetres and the height is 3 centimetres. Let's use our formula to work out the area of this triangle. So A equals half times 10 times 3. So half the base equals 5 times 3. So the area equals 5 times 3, which is 15 centimetres squared. The area of this triangle is 15 centimetres squared. Again, it's really important to use the correct unit of measurement, which in this case is centimetres squared. Here are some more examples. Although these triangles look different to the triangles we've seen previously, the formula is still the same. Can you remember the formula? Area equals half times base times height. Let's have a go at working out the area for these triangles. So starting with triangle A, the base is 16 centimetres and the height is 6 centimetres. So let's use our formula to work out the area. Half times 16 times 6. A equals, well, we know half of 16 is 8, so 8 times 6. A equals 8 times 6 is 48. So the area of this triangle is 48 centimetres squared. Remember, it's really important to put our units of measurement, which in this case is centimetres squared. Now let's try and work out the area for triangle B. The base is 6 centimetres and the height is 3 centimetres. So let's use our formula to work out the area. Half times 6 times 3. A equals, well, half of 6 is 3, so 3 times 3. A equals 9. The area of triangle B is 9 centimetres squared. Here are some more examples. Can you work out the area of these triangles? Remember the formula. A equals half times base times height. Pause the video and have a go at working out the area of triangles A, B and C. How did you get on? Let's go through the answers. So for triangle A, the base is 21 centimetres and the height is 5 centimetres. So A equals half times 21 times 5. So A equals half of 21, which is a tricky one. So that equals 10.5 times 5. 10.5 times 5 equals 52.5. And of course we're going to use our unit of measurement, which is centimetres squared. So the area of this triangle is 52.5 centimetres squared. Well done if you got that answer correct. That was really challenging. Let's try triangle B. So the base is 6 centimetres and the height is 2 centimetres. So we're going to do half times 6 times 2. So we know that half of 6 is 3, so 3 times 2. And we know that 3 times 2 is 6. So the area of this triangle is 6 centimetres squared. And finally, triangle C. The base this time is 18 centimetres and the height is 9 centimetres. So we're going to do A equals half times 18 times 9. So A equals half of 18, so 18 divided by 2 is 9, times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So the area of this triangle is 81 centimetres squared. Well done if you got all those answers correct. That was really challenging. Can you work out the missing base of this triangle? Let's work through this example together. We can work out the missing base of this triangle by rearranging the formula that we use to work out the area of triangles. Half times base times height. For this example, the information that we have is that the area equals 26 centimetres squared and the height equals 4 centimetres. So let's rearrange our formula to work out the base of our triangle. We can work this out by doing the area divided by the height times 2, which will give us the base. So we know that the area is 26 centimetres squared divided by 4, as 4 is the height, times 2, which will give us the base. So 26 divided by 4 equals 6.5. 6.5 times 2 will give us the base. 6.5 times 2, or 6.5 as 6.5, equals 13 centimetres. 13 centimetres is the base of our triangle. Can you work out the missing height of this triangle? Let's work this out together. So this time the information that we have is the base and the area of the triangle, but we do not have the height. So we're going to rearrange our formula. A equals half times base times height to help us work out the missing height. So this time we're going to do A, area, divided by the base times 2, which will give us the height. A, the area, is 54 centimetres squared. So 54 divided by 9, which is the base, and then times 2, which will give us the height. 54 divided by 9 is 6. So 6 times 2 will give us the height. 6 times 2 equals 12. So 12 is our height. Our height is 12 centimetres. That brings us to the end of this lesson all about finding the area of triangles. The formula for finding the area of triangles is half the base times the height. Now, put your knowledge to the test and try the quiz.